this hill. That's where our property starts there. That's how far I am up there. Whoa. Whew, it's a lot of stuff here. I couldn't walk this the last time. Now, it's so much easier. All of this, we cut these trees down because it was too much. So, this is what it looks like now. Trying to see where my property line goes. And I'm at the end now. Interesting. This is as far as my house goes. All right, this is at the end of the gate of my yard. Now, move on up. Property lines right here, so that's kind of, and the next property lines there, that's my neighbors to the left. I couldn't get through any of this last time. This is all shrubs and some big ass trees here cutting down. Oh, so much easier to walk through this. I can go up the hill easy now. Not bad. I gotta cut these vines a little more. It's like a little hill to push up on. Here we are. Upstairs. Walked all of that.